Well, if you're only raising money for the deal, then you may not be compensated for doing so unless you have unless you're a broker dealer. You have to have a certain license to only raise money for other people's deals and get compensated for it. It's an SEC requirement. So what I recommend that you do, what's this person's name? Low. What I recommend you do, and any best ever listener who has this situation presented to them, is become a general partner on the deal and have more responsibility than simply raising money. You'll need to do some research in this, but essentially, and I'm not a SEC attorney or legal expert, but essentially you'll need to, in addition to bringing your investors, you will need to do due diligence on the property, provide insight, market analysis, whatever. But you can't just be a gun for hire for raising money unless you have a certain license, and I'm not exactly sure what that license is. You can Google it. So let's assume that you are going to be in the general partnership and you have additional responsibilities other than simply raising money. And again, that could be due diligence responsibilities, asset management, investor communication, whatever. Then the $2 million, if that's how much you're bringing, I would recommend making at least 20 cents on the dollar at minimum for what you bring. So that would be $400,000 that you would want to make over the lifetime of the project for bringing $2 million. And how you determine the percent ownership of what that $400,000 equals is you simply look at the projected profits for the overall project and divide 400,000 into the projected profits. You'll get a percentage, and that should be your percentage of the general partnership ownership.
So take on additional responsibilities, and then 20 cents on the dollar over the lifetime of the loan based off of how much money that he raised.
Yep, and then you determine what percentage that equals by looking at the total projected profits on the general partnership side, and then doing some division, and then whatever your percentage is, 400,000 divided by total profits, that's your percent ownership that you'd get.